looking for smooth ends? Are you looking to get rid of dry, rough, wrinkle, dull looking ends? I have a solution for you. I am going to show you how to get soft, smooth ends in just about 10 minutes. I'm going to use some Vaseline, and Vaseline can help to lock moisture in the skin. Vaseline can be used all over your body. It can also be used as an ear oil. I used this as a child growing up, and I strongly believe that it do help to soften and smooth the skin. 1 tablespoon of the Vaseline. I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to warm this up by mixing. Just take the spoon and mix. Now, there's so many benefits for Vaseline on the skin. It helps to relieve a dry skin, including your lips and eyelid. It also helps to rehydrate the skin, get rid of your rough, dry cuticles. You can use it also as an ear oil. You can also use it as a makeup remover. Now we're going to move on to step 2, and I'm going to be using some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps to hydrate the skin. It also helps to soften the skin and get rid of dry, rough looking skin. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. Adding this to the bowl. You can also use fresh aloe vera gel in this recipe. Next, I'm reaching for some oil, and I'm going to be using coconut oil. Coconut oil is a humectant that locks the moisture in the skin. I'm going to use a teaspoon of the coconut oil. Next, we're going to reach for some milk, and milk contains lactic acid. It helps to exfoliate the skin, getting rid of dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, help to lighten and brighten the skin. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the milk. Now we are going to blend the aloe vera, the milk, and the oil together, and we're going to blend well. My next ingredient is going to be baking soda, and we're using baking soda for its exfoliating properties. Baking soda will clear dead skin cells. It will help to get rid of grease and dirt. It works as a scrub. You can use it on your face. You can use it on your entire body. Now we're using a tablespoon of the baking soda, and we're going to mix, and we are going to mix well. Now here we have step 1, which is the petroleum jelly, and step 2 is our aloe vera milk mixture. Now we want to mix step 1 and step 2 together, and to do this we're going to use a double boiler. I'm going to use a small pot. Take a paper towel, place it in the pot, and then pour about 2 cups of water. Now, once the water comes to a boil, we're going to add our petroleum jelly. And what we're going to do, we are going to be melting the petroleum jelly. This is going to take about a minute or 2, depending on how hot your water is. What you're going to do, you are going to keep stirring this, stir, and you're going to notice that the petroleum jelly is going to become more creamy-like consistency. Once it gets to that stage, reach for our aloe vera milk mixture, and we're going to pour about 2 tablespoons of the mixture in the bowl with the petroleum jelly. And we're going to mix, and we are going to mix well. Continue to mix, and I'm going to change my spoon, and I'm going to go for a whisk instead. Now, while the Vaseline is melting, the milk is slowly blending into the Vaseline. So you're going to continue to whisk this until it is a fully cream-like consistency. Once this is done, you're going to remove it from the stovetop and take a look. Now that we remove it, take a look. This is it, and this is the consistency you want, nice and creamy. Now you're going to set this aside to cool, because this is now very, very hot. So put it aside to cool for about 30 minutes or so. Once that is done, you're gonna need a pair of gloves. This is what works best. If you do not have gloves, you can use saran wrap. So go ahead and start taking care of your hands by taking the solution. You're gonna place it on your hands and be generous with this, and you're gonna start to exfoliate. You're exfoliating the back of your hands, you're exfoliating between your fingers, you're exfoliating the palm of your hands, and you're gonna do this for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. This is going to feel really, really good on your hands, and you might want to be spending a little more time on it because of the way it feels. You definitely can feel the granules from the baking soda, and this is what is exfoliating, while the Vaseline and the oils and aloe vera gel is moisturizing your hands, making it feeling so soft and so smooth. Once you're done with this, you are going to reach for your gloves and you're going to place your hands in the gloves. Go ahead, do this, and let me put mine on really, really quick. And now once that is done, I like to take my hands and I like to still massage it like I'm showing here with the gloves on. Massage, massage, massage. Now you can choose to go about your daily business wearing the gloves, like cleaning the house and doing what you need to do. However, wear the gloves for at least 30 minutes. And once that is up, once the time is up, then you are gonna remove the gloves and your hands are going to look so smooth, guys. It's going to feel so smooth. Now take a look at that, fully hydrated. So what I like to do, I like to go back and give it another massage. It's, just massaging the mixture on my hands, and then I like to take a paper towel and get rid of the excess grease. So just wipe it off, and then we are going to go ahead and you are going to wash this off. Are gonna pat dry. Your hands is gonna be feeling smooth. Your hands is gonna be looking lighter and brighter, younger and fresher. Use this at least twice per week for best result, and you're on your way to softer skin, smoother skin, radiant, younger looking hands. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also go ahead and share the video. Leave your comment. What else would you add to this mixture to make it even better for your dry, crack, rough, wrinkle looking hands?